The world is changing faster than ever. With the rise of automation, artificial intelligence, and robotics, many traditional jobs are at risk of disappearing. By 2030, some roles may no longer exist as companies embrace new technologies to improve efficiency. Welcome to World Insights by Harim, where we bring you thought-provoking insights from around the world. In today's video, we will explore 5 jobs that are likely to vanish in the coming years and what you can do to stay ahead. Stay till the end because the last job on this list might surprise you. The role of cashiers is declining as stores move towards automation. Self-checkout machines, mobile payment apps, and AI-driven cashierless stores like Amazon Go are replacing human workers. Retailers are investing in technology that makes transactions faster and more efficient, reducing the need for cashiers. If you are in retail, consider learning skills in customer service management, e-commerce, or digital payments to stay relevant in the industry. Telemarketing is another profession on the verge of extinction. AI chatbots, automated calling systems, and digital marketing strategies have made traditional telemarketing less effective. Businesses are now using artificial intelligence to analyze consumer behavior and target customers with precise online advertisements. If you work in telemarketing, consider shifting to digital marketing, social media management, or AI-driven customer relations to stay in demand. The days of traditional travel agents are numbered. With the rise of online booking platforms like Expedia, Booking.com, and Airbnb, people can easily plan their trips without any assistance. AI-powered travel assistants can now recommend flights, hotels, and itineraries based on user preferences. If you are in the travel industry, upskilling in digital tourism, hospitality management, or becoming a travel influencer might be a great alternative. Data entry jobs are rapidly being replaced by automation. AI and machine learning can now process large amounts of data with greater accuracy and speed than humans. Companies are increasingly using automated systems to manage databases, making traditional data entry roles unnecessary. If you work in data entry, consider learning skills in data analysis, cybersecurity, or database management to transition into more advanced roles. Manufacturing is one of the industries most affected by automation. Advanced robotics and AI-driven machines are now performing tasks once done by factory workers. Automated assembly lines are faster, more efficient, and cost-effective for businesses. If you are in the manufacturing sector, learning skills in robotics maintenance, AI programming, or engineering can help you stay ahead in the job market. Technology is transforming the way we work. While some jobs are disappearing, new opportunities are emerging. The key is to stay informed, adapt, and acquire skills that will be in demand in the future. Which of these jobs surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Insights by Harim for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.